What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and guess what? It's beginning to look a lot like Apple product release day. All right, that was really cheesy. But guess what we got for you today? We got another video, and you already know what time it is. It is that iPad Pro, the new generation. You already know what is going down. And you can see right here, even on the box, it spells out P-R-O, Pro. Okay, so what do we have here to unbox today? So I don't know if you guys can make it out in the video, but we do actually have a 256 gig iPad 11-inch Pro model, the M4 model with Wi-Fi. Not the lowest, but you know, your boy Bobby ain't got deep pockets like that. So I had to get what I could get to be able to get it and unbox it for y'all. So you know we're gonna do first impressions. Let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna call out right now is Apple. What is up with this? What is this garbage right here? When you ship me a product, it should not have the tape already ripped a little bit. That is bootleg as all get out. Come on, Apple. Y'all gotta do better than that with a brand new product. Cost me over $1,000. Come on now. But let's get to it. Let's pop the top on that top tab. So this one right here is gonna be a huge upgrade for me myself. This is gonna be going from an M1 13-inch iPad Pro to an M4 11-inch iPad Pro. So it's gonna be a big jump in, not necessarily size, but it will be a big jump in performance, you know, allegedly, right? So let's see what we got in the box, and then we'll go over comparisons and size and stuff. So this isn't gonna be a full review video. This is gonna be just an unboxing and first impressions. So right out the gate, you know, we've got the iPad Pro, simplistic, clean unboxing from Apple, as always. So bringing it out, kind of checking the weight here. Feels pretty light. So I'm gonna actually take and bring in an older model. So this is gonna be the M1 iPad Pro, 11-inch. So I'm gonna tell you that it feels lighter, but there's not like, you could tell it's lighter, you could tell it's a new model, but it is going to be lighter than the old model, the outgoing model. So again, this is the M1 11-inch iPad Pro. So right off the gate, it is gonna be lighter. So that's a good thing right there. We'll get to opening this up in a second. But the rumors are true. I'm sad to say, folks, they got rid of the stickers. Look at this. Look at this, look at this. All we got is some disclaimers, some stuff telling us to set up our iPad Pro, get that off to the side. And of course, thankfully though, they did include a braided USB-C cable. So good job, Apple there. And then also we've got a charging brick. So, I mean, I guess that is some saving grace for them, but I don't like that they took away the sticker, because I was like, you know, it's like kind of like a kid Christmas time. You felt pretty cool getting a sticker to use. Or you could even give it to your kids if you wanted to. But that's what comes in the box, some manuals, the USB cable, and the charging brick. So not all bad. It does come with that stuff, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and move this to the side and see what we're working here. But this product is so nice, so fresh and so clean. Bobby G's gonna give you out that white glove special. So let's go ahead and get on these white gloves right here, because I want to try to keep this as fresh and so clean as I can for as long as I can, which probably won't be long. Get on our glove right there, and then let's see what we got. So at the front, get your pull tab. Go to the back. Simple, elegant, clean unboxing from Apple. So a couple of things right out the gate that you're gonna notice that are different from the, especially like for mine, I've got the M1, so it's quite a few years behind. Is gonna be that they moved the camera from up here to over here on the side, so landscape for the camera. Heard the speakers are very much improved on this iPad, so I think I'm gonna do a review video, or at least comparing the two, the new version and the older M1 iPad Pro 11-inch. But just for right now, again, it does seem lighter. The display looks very nice, but that's gonna do it, folks. Again, it's a whole lot lightweight. You do get a charging brick, you do get a cable in there. I'm gonna be doing a separate video where I unbox the Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil, just so this video doesn't get too long. And I'll invite y'all to check that out. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Like always, folks, like, comment, and subscribe. Help me grow this channel. Everybody, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Show me some love in the comments, and I'm out.